Section 8.4 is about drawing plans and elevations. Again, very technical, very what's the word, building surveyor and plan drawer and designer type thing. It's in maths because we're talking about shapes, aren't we? And so here we have some shapes. We have a bureau, which is like a flash little desk like that, with the see, this little part can just open up like that and just lift off, and there'll be books and stuff inside, sort of bits of dust and that, elastic bands. And that's just a regular desk there. Looks very IKEA, very bland, but it, you know, does the job. And it says the following sketches show some piece of furniture from a doll's house, right? Bureau, desk. Now Ian, bless him, drew these plan views of the furniture. So Ian went up high and looked down there, then went over here and looked down there and drew what he thought he saw. What he thought he saw. What mistakes has Ian made? Very hard to communicate this, but do you see the slanted part of the bureau only sticks out 3 centimeters, and the tallest, flattest part sticks out 1 centimeter. So what Ian drew was a line, you know, like 2 centimeters from the back and 2 from the front. So let me just rub out what he did by doing this. If I rub that little bit out with my white pen, hopefully you can see what I'm trying to do. So that is wrong, Ian. What you should have done was this, and I'll show it in blue. You should have drawn it across there, shouldn't you? All right. So horrible. Anyway, I'm trying to draw that. I just missed it. So that's 1 centimeter deep at the highest point, and then it comes down 3 centimeters. Well, it comes down, but it sticks out 3 centimeters. So that should be the plan view. Draw the plan views accurately and label the dimensions. So this shouldn't actually be 4. Oops, I'll go back to pen mode. That should be. Let's get rid of that line completely. So that's all wrong. I'm just going to white it over like that. So what should we have? We should have that part being 1 centimeter and this part being 3 centimeters, and that will truly represent what you'd see if you're standing up high looking down on the bureau. Now the desk, now look at it, there are no slanty edges at all. It is a rectangular upper surface, a rectangular face, and it's 8 by 4 because it matches the 4 along the bottom. So actually Ian would not see these, so I'm going to white these out as well. So here we go. All this goes white and disappears, hopefully, before your very eyes, because I can scribble in white. This one's got to go as well, and that's gone bye-byes. Goodbye, Ian. So that's that, and that's what Ian should see. No slanty edges, and it's 8 by 4. That's correct. So you got that bit right. Okay, now I want to extend this a little bit better. I want to label this as a plan. That is a view from on top, and that is also a plan. And that is all this question is about. But I want to take it further. I want to draw this side, which is called the front elevation. I'm going to write it down myself just in case they ask us this. Front elevation. How it looks like from the front. Very simple. I'm going to draw it for you right now. It's basically a 4 by 4 square, looking at it from the front. However, do you see that this slanted part here sticks up 1 centimeter above this 4 by 4 flat face? So you're going to see a slanted area. You won't see the top part here, but you will see a gradual slant working upwards. So essentially I'm going to have a 4 by 4 square, which I'll draw using my line facility, and I'll do this in blue right now. So I hope I've got space for this. So 4 by 4, then come down like that. Ugh, it went bent. Anyway, forgive me. I just let go of the pen too early. That's that. And because of this extra 1 centimeter of elevation, I've got to represent it as follows. It won't be slanted. It's just that I might not do it. There you go. So let's just label that little part now. I have got in black. I'll see 4 centimeters across the bottom, from there to there. I'll see 4 centimeters up the side here, so that's 4 centimeters. I'm going to see a further 1 centimeter rise as I look in that direction in the front elevation. So this is the front elevation. Well, if there's a front elevation, there's also a side elevation, and I want to draw that. I want to look at the view from there, and that's called the side elevation. I don't think they even mention these words anywhere, but they should do. They mention elevations in the title, and they've not got it in the question, so here it is for real. I want to draw this. What am I going to see? I'm going to see a 4 centimetre line there, a 5 centimetre line, 1 centimetre coming out, 4 centimetres rising, and then join the ends. So I'm going to try and draw that for you right now using this. So let's start from what I know to be true. 4 along the bottom, that's not too difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Then go straight up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. And then come out 1. 1, stop. Now at the front here, I'm rising 4 centimetres. So from here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Now look, I have my slanty edge right here, my slanty side, and I will now join the ends, and there it is. That, friends, is the side elevation, as opposed to this, which was the front elevation. Now let me label all the bits and pieces. That is 4 centimetres from there to there. This is 5 centimetres from there to there. This is from there to there 1 centimetre. From here to here we have 4 centimetres. So if I just do that, and well, it's 3 centimetres from there to there. I don't truly know this length, but it doesn't matter. The thing is, I know that the 1 centimetre part sticks out that much, and the 4 centimetre part from the front rises that much. I just join the ends, and that's it. And just as a sneak preview, you know I can use Pythagoras to actually work out that length, but I don't want to. It's not about Pythagoras, it's about drawing accurate side elevations. So I'll now label it as such. This is a side elevation. Now I've got space to draw the front elevation for this. It's very, very easy, mind you. I hope I've got space here. If not, I'll have to think of something else. Well, how's it going to go? It's going to go 5 up, 8 across, 5 down, 2 left, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 across, etc. So I'm essentially drawing this flat face here. So I'm going to try and do it here if I can. Hopefully it will fit. Right, how far are we going? We're going 5 up. So let's start here, and I'm doing the front elevation of the desk. So let's work down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come 8 across. What's that? Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then come straight down. I better not get in the way of this. I'm going to be really upset. That's that. Then come 2 in. 1, 2. Come in 2 from there as well. 1, 2. Then go up 4. It says 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Doink. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I didn't quite do it well. Just stretch that a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doink. And if that's 4 and that's 5, that's going to have to be 1. I can see 1 square there anyway. And that's it. That's the front elevation of the desk. And let's label it as such straight away in red. So that's front elevation. Now, I have to say, the side elevation is very, very boring. It's just a 5x4 little square. So I'll do it for the sake of completeness, and that'll be good. So, working over here now, I'm going 4 along. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. 4, and come down 5 again. And so that's it. And that's called the side elevation. And that's that, and of course that's the front there, isn't it? So that's the side elevation, and that is the front elevation. Let me just label that one. And that's that one right there. Okay, so I'm not going to put all the lengths on it. Okay, I'll do it. You only moan, so let's just do it quickly. I'll keep you all nice and quiet. So that's 2 centimetres from there to there. That's 2 centimetres from there to there. Up this side, 5 centimeters from there to there. Across the top, well, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters from there to there. Again, I should be using a ruler, but we don't want to do it. If that's 2 and that's 2, that's got to be 4 left over. I'm sure it has. Anyway, this is 4 high, so if I go 4 centimeters from there to there, so 2 plus 2 is 4, and the rest of it is 8. So actually, it's going to be from there to there. It's also going to be 4 centimeters, and that's another 5. So I'm going to stop anyway on that. This one here, very easy. That's 4 centimeters across the bottom, and put the 5 centimeters here. So I'm sort of running out of space here, the edge of the screen. Alright, and that's front elevations from the front, plans looking from on top, and side elevation coming at the side, and just drawing what you see in a flat 2-dimensional way. And that is technical drawing, that is designing, that is fun actually. So I'm going to stop, and that's the end of 4.8. No, 8.4. Sorry, I definitely need a break now.